I'm engineer John Ferreras, one of the designers and builders of the Defiant 300. This is part one of the article I wrote in Aerospace magazine way back in 1988 about the historic flight of the Defiant 300. We held our breath as the Defiant prototype taxied to the foot of the runway. How striking it looked in its red and white color scheme, poised and ready for takeoff. We stood in front of the domestic airport headquarters of the Philippine Air Force Security Command, perfectly positioned to witness the moment that was about to unfold. This was the Defiant's second flight. Its debut took place on February 22nd, 1988, at this very spot, and by all accounts, it had been a resounding success. Some of the original members of the Norlando group Dawanin, Saltivan, Flora, Salvacian, Pedregosa, and Mag Pente were present to witness this historic occasion. The prototype had undergone months of high-speed taxi tests, with results deemed satisfactory. The team made the bold decision to move forward with the maiden flight. I had been present for the first flight, thus this is the story of the second. We had been waiting since 8:30 that morning. The wind was calm, the sky clear, and the day balmy, ideal conditions for a second smooth flight. We had heard that this one would be covered by the press. Captain Panfilo Villaruel Jr, the daring test pilot and project director, and our former boss, stood out among the crowd with his indomitable spirit. He was following the master plan we had all helped shape. The first flight had been kept private without invited guests. The second one, however, was for the media. We gathered in front of Hangar 2 of the Philippine Aerospace Development Corporation, where the prototype was undergoing its final checks and tests. Members of the team who had been part of the journey from the beginning stood with me, students from Pat's School of Aeronautics and Airlink International Aviation School started to arrive, forming small groups.